Thai Food Good Taste by Lock on Food.
Hello everyone, welcome to Lock on Food. Today I'm gonna present you about green curry with chicken. In Thai, แกงเขียวหวานไก่ is one of the best known dishes of Thai cuisine. Green curry was invented during the reign of King Rama VI or King Rama VII between the year 1908 to 1926. As this is Thai curry based on coconut milk and fresh green chili. The color come out creamy mild green or as this color is called in Thai sweet green. The ingredients in Thai green curry is the goodness of basil, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, and rich in vitamins, iron, and antioxidants. Garlic and onion have antibacterial and have the ability to fight against hard bad cholesterol and rightly balanced with coconut milk. The ingredient main protein come from chicken. The other ingredient for the dish consist of coconut milk, basil leaf, Thai eggplant, the chicken soup stock powder, green curry paste, palm sugar, green chili, kaffir lime leaf, garlic, onion, and fish sauce. The consistency of its sauce varies with the amount of coconut milk used. Despite its complex flavors, it's actually quite easy to make at home. Firstly, put coconut milk in a pan. By use medium heat to boil it around 5 minutes. Then put green curry paste to a pan and stir it. Put the chicken and boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add fish sauce, palm sugar and soup stock powder to a pan. After that, put Thai eggplant, garlic, onion, kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, and basil. Boil 5 minutes and then serve in a bowl with steamed rice.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.